Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download the Steam Link application to your Android TV without using Google Play Store. No, download that. Find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Now, on your Android TV, if you don't have downloader like me, or you have downloader but you don't have Google Play Store like me, I want to install the Steam Link application. Here's simply what you can do. You can go over to your inbuilt browser, or you go to an installed additional browser like TV Pro. I love TV Pro over my inbuilt browser because TV Pro is optimized for Android TV. So if you need TV Pro, check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to guide you on how to install TV Pro. If you don't need it, just go ahead and use your inbuilt browser. So once you launch, just go out to a search box after you optimize it. Go out to your search box and then type in the link of what you want. So what you need is the Steam link. So I'm going to type in the name of the application, which is Steam Link. Now, this application is used to stream games from your player to a monitor, and the monitor can be Android TV. So, for instance, when you type in Team Link, just go ahead and type in APK. Once all of this is good, please click OK. So, once you click OK, here is the result page. Now, as you can see on my screen, there are options. The first option is going to lead you to the Google web page, which at times it can work on your Android TV, but I'm not going to guarantee that it works all the time. It doesn't work on my Android TV. So I'm just going to go to the second option, which is Steam Link for Android, downloading from another website. So you click on this second option that says from up to down, and here's how it's going to look like. Now, this is what to do once you're here. Once you're here, come over to this option that says get the latest version. So you click here, download. Once you click download, let it load, and then it's going to bring you to another download option. After reading everything that is there, just come over here and click download again. Once you click download, the application is going to start downloading. And if you are using TV Pro, you can see down here, downloaded started. If you're using TV Pro like me, what to do to see the download is just for you to come over. You come over to the top here and come to the download option. As you can see on my screen, the application is being downloaded right away. So here you see, once it's done downloading, all you have to do is click on it once, and it will ask you for permission to install the application to your Android TV. And that is just it. This is how to install or download the Steam Link application to your Android TV. If you found the video helpful, like and subscribe.